Okay, so I thought I'd do a quick video just to show you the differences between the size of the camera, between the different Pro Series and the Heavy Duty Series, but we'd also show you the different camera viewing angles on a factory Toyota screen. It'll make it really easy for you to understand the differences. So I'll quickly show you what we've done on our rig here. So we've got all our cameras set up here. So we've firstly got the factory Toyota one, and then we've got our Pro Series camera, which is our biggest seller. This is a 170-degree viewing angle, very similar in size to the factory Toyota one. We've got 120 degrees on this one, which is our heavy-duty camera. And then we have our twin heavy-duty camera, which is a bit different. It's got 60-degree viewing angle on the close-up, and then it has 120 on the far-sighted version, okay? So we're gonna run this here, and we've got it hooked up to our AutoChimp quad camera system. And we've got 4 switches hooked up. So we're going to test between the Pro Series, Heavy Duty, and the 2 twin cameras to show you the difference, okay? So first up, when you hit camera 1, brings up the factory or factory camera, but we've got the factory camera hooked up to the Pro Series camera at the moment. So we'll bring this down and show you. I'll do a bit of a zoom here. We'll try and get a better picture. Okay, so that's about 170-degree angle. That is the Pro Series camera. Next up, we have the heavy duty camera. Okay, that's 120 degrees. It's a really good viewing angle because it doesn't have any glass on it. We've upgraded our heavy duty cameras to not need glass on the front, so they're really good. Next one is the 60 degrees on the twin camera. You can see it here with the infrared on at the moment, and then it jumps to the 120 degrees on the infrared as well. So that gives you an idea what infrared would look like and color would look like as well. So we'll bounce backwards. So there's the 60 degrees, back to the 120 degrees, and then back down to 170. All right.